Here is my custom built retractable chop saw bench, and you can see I've got quite a small workshop. It's 7.5 foot wide, and there's the chop saw on its bench. There we go. So yeah, the amount of room I've got is minimal, so to make things work a bit better, I basically made the chop saw bench retractable, so it comes out, lock it in place, and then you can get the saw out and you can use the full motion of the saw, and with the legs and the wheels solid. Got a little bit of work to finish it, but that's basically the basis of it. And you can see how much room it takes up having it out all the time, so I had to do something about it. So I just come up with this idea. I didn't even find anything on YouTube or anything anything like this. This is like a one-off, as I say, custom. And yeah, I hope you like it. Don't copy my idea though. I'll just fold it away. That's all that. And then an added little bonus. It's good because when you put it away like this and lock it all in place, kids can't, you know, it's going to be hard for them to figure it all out how to get it out and mess around with it, so it's quite safe. But also, it's got built-in drawers for all of my screws, all my bits and bobs, all contained in the same unit. Well, thanks for viewing. Cheers then. Bye.